What's going on, YouTube? Back here with another video. I know I said I was gonna do it a couple days ago, but I've been busy. I'm gonna try to upload at least 2 or 3 a week. I'm gonna get more like into the videos and try to make them longer, edit them better. I don't really know how to edit or nothing. I need help, so I gotta find someone to help me, or just go watch some YouTube videos on how to do it so I can do it. This is right here. This is, remember, I don't know if you guys remember. If you go back and look at my old videos, this was I bought this from Wish. It's probably like a year and a half old. You know, I don't know if you guys can see, but it snapped my original shifter from my Civic, my Integra shifter, because my car's B series. So look in there, it snapped off inside there. So I was like, phew. Now I got a little baby shifter. I had to take the knob off the top of here and put it on the broken piece of that just to use for now. I did order. I'll show it when it gets here. I ordered it's a hybrid racing shifter. It's the one that's like, I think like, it was like $400. It was expensive. I know I'm not sponsored or nothing, and I ordered that. They just told me my next purchase I can get, I think 10 or 20% off. Same thing with Max Speed Rods. I haven't done a video, but like, because I already have the shocks on my car. I got them put on when I got the motor put in and all that stuff. But basically, they're good. They're good shocks. Like, I like them. They don't bounce a lot. I put my family in there. We rode to San Francisco. I just went to Reno. I'll go all these other places, and they haven't really settled. I mean, they settled once because I never used them, but after that, I set them, and they haven't settled since. They stayed where they're at. The car doesn't bounce. I haven't messed with the dampening. I think it has like, I want to say 15 to 32-way dampening. I don't really remember. I have to go look at the purchase. I'll show you guys when I can pull it up on my either another phone or Chromebook or something. But yeah, those shocks are good. So basically, he told me, he sent me an email and said whenever I can get a chance, or even if I do or I don't, but any future purchases, to go directly to the manager from Max Speed Rods, and I can get 50% off future purchases, anything. Not just one, multiple. So I guess you can say that's like kind of like my first little sort of a sponsor, I guess. I mean, it's better than nothing. I don't have nothing right now. I only have 4 subscribers. I'm trying to get more. I keep putting out videos. I know they're short. I'll put out more longer videos. I'm buying parts. It's just, there's not always time for me to film, to put them on. I'm going to film the hybrid shifter. I'm going to film all that getting put on. I just bought drilled and slotted rotors with pads for the front. I'm going to film that getting put on, because I'm going to do all of it at once. I'm going to put the shifter, the drilled and slotted rotors, the pads, and then I just got this today. This is a, I don't know if you guys heard of them. No, I'm not sponsored. I just bought this. It's Circuit Hero. I didn't want to use a shift boot no more, so I was like, you know, let me order something. I kind of looked around. I seen people have those little chrome plates, and I was like, oh, that's nice. What is that? So I tried to get it through eBay, but I went to them directly because I couldn't find the EK one on eBay. They only had the Integra one, so I bought this. It came out to like $75 with shipping. I think it was 60, but with the shipping it was like 15, so it was like $75. It got here fast. I actually ordered this last, and this got here first. I ordered the hybrid racing shifter last week, which should be here. I think it says Wednesday, but it might be here before that. But yeah, this came from like the Bay Area, not too far. So yeah, it says on there Circuit Hero, rare goods for competition, Spirit, Circuit Hero shift plate EK. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, let's open it up. It's not nothing too crazy. It's just, like I said, shift plate, because I don't want to run a boot no more. Plus my boot's all ripped, and when you spill stuff on them, they look all like, when you get old, you get cracked. Look like a dog chewed on it or something, you know, so don't want it no more. Usually this, I don't have a box cutter. I do, but I don't feel like I'm going to get it, so I'm trying to open it with this. Now I'm just going to rip this box open. Let me see, I might have something right here. Alright. This is what's in the box. Comes with the rubber gasket. You have to cut it to your liking. It goes around, I've seen a video, it's kind of hard to put on, but it goes around the edge of the plate. This is the plate. So basically this is gonna go, the edge, this goes around the whole, all the edges inside here, inside this little circle. they give you extra, but you put it around this so your shifter doesn't bind up or get smashed or scratched on the edges. And then, yeah, you keep the extra for if you ever need more for something else. But that's basically it. It's gonna have a clean look. The shifter's gonna come through here. Yeah, that's basically it. It's clean though. I like it. It's machined well. I mean, shiny. It says Circuit Hero, rare goods for competition spirits. So yeah, it's good. I like it. You can get it directly from them if you can't find it on eBay. I mean, I don't know if the one on eBay is directly to them or someone else trying to make one that looks like it, but I ordered it directly to them. I ordered it directly to their site. I just Googled Circuit Hero, it popped up, and boom, I ordered it. Ordered it within like 2-3 minutes. You got a shipment notification within like a couple hours of the same day. So yeah, they're real fast. The shipping's good quality product. I like it. It's going on my car. I don't plan on changing it. This fake K-Tune stuff from Wish or whatever, if you're eBay, don't buy it unless you plan on snapping your real shifter and having to go get the right stuff. I mean, I was gonna buy a K-Tune, but a lot of people say K-Tune stuff is kind of the same as the eBay stuff. I mean, a little bit better, some are better quality. I don't know. I'm not knocking K-Tune. I try to get the best stuff for my car. Yeah, my car is not perfect. I'm still working on it. I want to paint it, do a lot of stuff, do body work, but it's gonna get to perfect. I'm done with it, but I've been trying to buy all the top parts, just like my header, the PLM Toda header style. Like that's the most expensive B series header that's known to give you the power. Like there's other ones out there, but that one, out of all the B series motors I had and other setups, I could feel the most power gains on that header. That's why I picked that one. And then I bought some I bought some eBay shifter bushings. I was gonna buy the hybrid ones, but I didn't really know about the springs and boot and shifter boots and rubbers and bushings and all that. I didn't know all that made it shift way better, so I should have bought those. But I think I bought a metal steel one or solid, I don't know, titanium, something like that. I'll show it to you guys later. But yeah, that's basically it for now. I'm just waiting for the shifter to come. I got the actual, I bought a knob to them too, because I was like, why buy a regular knob or have a hybrid racing shifter and then have like an off-brand knob? So I bought the knob to them too. I wanted to get, there was black or red. I wanted black because I mean my car theme's really blue. I wanted blue, they didn't have blue. It wasn't an option, so I had to get the red one. That's the only one that was available. If not, I had to wait till August 14th. So I got the red one. And I got it's like a powder dust blue knob. It's kind of probably look like Spider-Man, but hey, I don't know. That's all I can get. I don't really care. I'm getting it for the quality of the shifting and the part, not for the color. Who knows? Maybe I could paint it later or something. But that's basically it with my car right now. But yeah, this broke. I have the hub somewhere. I don't feel like looking for it right now. It's either in here or my storage. But the quick release, basically, you can say it broke. It works, but it binds. When you turn, when I was on the car, I was making a cracking sound. That's another part from Wish. You go look back in my prior video, you'll see unboxing them. Well, here's the full review now. I mean, I know it took me a long time, but sometimes you gotta use parts longer than you think to see how long they really last. And those lasted about 1.5 years. And I can't even say 1.5 years because my car was down for like 6 months. So really, it was just sitting there. It really only lasted me less than 6 months in use, actual use. So that messed up. The shifter broke. What else did I get from Wish? The OMP wheel. Yeah, you go look. That was getting a lot of views. It was good quality. I liked the way it felt. It didn't bend. It didn't crinkle. It didn't make any noises. All I know is that my brother said he left it in my car. It was a 90-degree day, and somehow through the leather and through the wheel, it melted. Like it was just black. I don't know what to call it. It was like this black goo stuff. Got all over my seat because the wheel was on the seat. Messed my seat up. Got on my dash. I had to clean it. Got on my girl's pants. Ruined her pants. Like it was just like a mess. Like so, that's so they can say that was not good about it. It's not made for heat. Me personally, I always took my wheel inside. I always take my wheel inside. I don't leave it in the car, so I couldn't say. I do live in Sacramento where it's hot, but I didn't leave it in the car, so who knows? But he left it out there in the Bay Area on a 90-degree day, and it melted the whole top of it. I would have showed it to you guys, but I threw it out. I got frustrated with it. I ended up ripping off like the blue leather, try to drive with it. It was all sticky. Try to get the steering wheel covered, didn't fit. And that's when I ended up just finding that wood one the same day I was out there, bought that, put it on. Came back with that. Got the NRG, which is better for me because now all my stuff is matching. NRG hub, NRG quick release, NRG wheel. Who knows next? I might even get NRG seats. I don't know yet. Depends if I can't find the ones I'm looking for. I saw a guy yesterday. I hit him up for some 08 SI seats, but for $100 for the two fronts, they're real clean, but they ain't hitting me back up, so I don't know. There was some EP seats, kind of faded. I think around like $80, kind of far. I'm maybe thinking about it, but not really. I just want to get my seats out there, ripped, cushion coming out, uncomfortable. You can see the metal bars like they're beyond got their use. So yeah, just keep on watching my videos. This one's going to be pretty long, about 12, 13 minutes longer than usual. I'm going to try to continue to do that. The reason I haven't been is because all my recording equipment is in storage, and I don't really know where it's kind of buried in there. I have to look for it. But like, comment, subscribe. Try to tell your friends, share, put it on your social media. I put it on mine. Just let people know. I mean, I'm doing stuff slowly. I'm buying, selling cars. A hatchback, I did sell this to my brother. I didn't film the selling of it, but maybe when I go out there to do my bushings and all that stuff in my shifter, I can see if he has it at the house or if it's still at Honda at his job. We can check it out. Show you guys a little more and see what he's doing to it. I'll show you guys the car for sure this time, the K20 Integra, the GSR 2001, the K20, GSR Shell. I'll show you guys that, and just continue to watch my videos. Try to get me boosted up. My goal, maybe by the middle of this month, at least try to have 20, 25 subscribers, and that'll be cool. But if you guys can, like, comment, subscribe, keep watching my videos. Thanks, and peace.